Then 27-year-old Eric May comes close. Every new syllable could set off a stuttering spasm.
Negative part.
In my experience, he's one of the most severe stutterers I have ever seen. And I've been in stuttering for 20 years.
Let me ask you a few questions, okay?
You said you wanted to be a professional basketball player. What teams have you played for, Eric?
Well, my first year, I played in...
Eric is now stuck on the letter M.
Played in...
He desperately tries to break the cycle.
I had played in... My first year, I played in...
This is now Eric's fourth attempt.